This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about drinkware, specifically the Sumi glassware collection. We have a couple of the styles here for you. The 8-ounce rocks, the 13-ounce double old-fashioned, and the 19-ounce beverage. It's a sleek, modern design in this collection with nice straight sides, and you can see it's a really crystal clear lead glass. It's a tempered glass as well, meaning that they're going to have a lot of extra strength and durability to them, so they're going to resist chips and breakage, meaning that they're perfect for use in commercial settings or at home. And it's a really nice modern design, meaning that it's going to fit in really well in a lot of different environments. So whether you're looking for barware for your restaurant, bar, or nightclub, or you're just looking for a classic design for your home to sit on your table or to have out at your next cocktail party, these are an excellent option. I especially love the 8-ounce rocks glass. It's got a nice short kind of squat appearance to it, meaning it's really fat and wide in your hand. So it gives you a nice kind of different look that's really classic and beautiful and has just a little bit of a unique twist to it. So it's perfect for any liqueur on the rocks. But I also love especially these two smaller sizes for doing things like maybe serving a dessert or something else. So they're a unique shape and style that's beautiful and versatile. They're also really durable and can be used in commercial dishwashers. So these are perfect for heavy use, whether it's in a home, a bar, or a restaurant.